Hey everybody, Kirill's here in Dinsmore Inc.'s Carbon Lab. Today I'm pouring out some fresh EPU 40 resin. So EPU stands for elastomeric polyurethane. EPU is great material for automotive applications, and because it is both durable and flexible, it can be used for cushioning, vibration isolation, gaskets, seals, and grips. We pour it through this dispenser gun to get the correct mix of resin and photo initiators. This is important for loading the resin chamber and making sure what we're looking to 3D print comes out properly. We're using the technology called Carbon DLS, or digital light synthesis. Under this tray, a special window allows light and oxygen to pass through. This turns the liquid into a solid part. If you're interested in learning more about how Carbon DLS works and how we can use it to help your next project, let us know. Like and comment on this post, follow Dinsmore Inc.